Michael?
I am.
Hi, let's get you your TV. Come on in. Go right through here. We've got it right over here.
Okay.
Michael, you're going up.
What's up? What's up, man? Clay, right?
Yep.
Michael Witham, nice to meet you.
How are you doing, sir?
Holy crap. All right.
Yeah. Come on up here real quick here, sir. Yeah. All right. Okay. Congratulations, brother. This is a member. Who knows this guy?
Everybody
Okay.
knows me?
And he just won a trip to Hawaii. So, are you excited?
Very, yeah. I thought I was going to TV, but this is way better.
Yeah. Have you been to Hawaii before?
No, never.
Okay. Well, what questions do you have for our big winner? Then we'll stop harassing him. James.
What advice would you give to an 8-year-old boy?
Oh, man. Stay optimistic. I don't know.
Okay, anybody else?
What are you going to do in Hawaii?
No clue. Probably did.
Let's hear it for more time. He's going. Congrats, man. Awesome. Yeah.
What's your name and how'd you hear about Elephant in the Room?
My name is Michael Witham, and I think off of Google.
Awesome. And how long have you been with Elephant in the Room?
Over a year.
Nice. And did you think you were going to win the trip to Hawaii?
I did not. I thought I was winning a TV.
Is there anything you want to do when you go to Hawaii that you want to try out while you're there?
I have no idea. Probably the food.
The food?
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome. And then would you recommend to family and friends, and if so, why?
Absolutely. It's like a spa day every time I go there.
Awesome.